Another weekend of mask, even complexion mask. I love this mask. So, face cleaned, scrubbed, masked with even complexion mask. Use the tone correcting serum, and this is me. What I just applied on my face is my eyeliner, my lipstick, and that's it. I don't have any makeup on my face. I don't have any foundation on my face, and that's why you can still see my spots. But other than that, my face is so clean and fresh. Yeah, I have all this from my ingrowth hair. That's what causes all this, and it comes out in the same spot. So that's it. But apart from that, my skin is so clean and fresh, if you can see. Yeah, and what I'm using is really helping me with the ingrowth hair, because it's not the way it used to be before. Yeah, the ingrowth hair can be caused by different things. Mine is hormonal. Yeah, so since I started giving birth and taking pills and birth controls and all that, so mine started coming out, and I use tweezers to tweeze them out, to take them out, and that's the reason why I'm having these spots. Yeah, but it's really good compared to what it used to be before. I tell you, I know how my face is before, and I know I can't be proud not to use foundation or concealer to conceal my face, but now I can be proud of my face and walk out without foundation and covering my pores. I allow my skin to breathe, and that's how you have your fresh and young looking skin. Okay.